Hey guys, this is an update on my hair regrowth journey. So first of all, look at my hair. Keep your eyes. Did you notice anything? I'm balding, especially from the back, and it's spreading. But this is, as you can see, there's a lot of progress from last month when I started the hair regrowth journey. Usually they will tell you that once you have lost your hair, you can't regrow it. That's a lie, and I'm proving it. I'm set out this year to prove it. Usually I'll just shave off my head and it will not be noticeable, but I decided that I will try and regrow it because I found out that hair loss is a sign of something wrong in your body. The moment I found it out, my mind was poof. So this is showing a sign that my body is either overproducing something or underproducing something. Maybe something, a particular nutrient or mineral has become deficient in my body, and my body is telling me sign by losing hair. Now, one of the things we discovered last month when I started this journey I showed you is that my hair was pulling. It doesn't pull anymore, you see? No hair is coming. So before last month, when I did this, you saw that some hairs came with it. So that was why I was balding, because my hair roots were so weak. Every time I comb, a lot of hair come with it and it goes off and they never grow back. So now I did a juju concoction. This is what I use. I apply on my hair every day to regrow it, and as you can see, I'm not even up to half the bottle and it's working. I'll prove to you that it's working. You may not know on the camera, but first thing you notice is that you can see how my hair has grown here. Can you see? This is thick dark hair where I'm not having a hair loss. This is how my hair is supposed to grow normally and how it used to grow. All right, now what you notice is that 2 inches from here, hair has started growing. 2 inches. Let me prove to you. See, there's hair here. See this empty space? You see, there's actually hair. You may not be able to see it in your camera, but you can see that I'm pulling, see, up to here. You see? So just applying this has grown new hair, new layer of hair is growing up. Now my edges were receding up to this point, but as you can see, I've regrown the inside of it. Here is still empty. There is no hair here actually, but as you can see, it's already covering up to this point. It's amazing. Now I'm not naturally a hairy person, but I used to have a lot of hair here, like afro, when I was in my early 20s. But I've never in my life ever had hair on my sides, ever. But for the first time in my whole life, I've started to have, look at this. Can you see? My hair here is starting to connect. Now hairs are appearing all under here because I will rub it this way. Hairs have started appearing all under here for the first time in my life. Another thing you see is that hair is starting to join. I've never had hair here like this. I've never ever had a mustache all my life, ever. But look, mustache is showing up, mustache is showing up, mustache. So this is the hair I used to have here and on my head. Now look at my hair, it's getting fuller. More and more hair is appearing, and this is just 1 month, from March to April. Look at extra hairs coming out here. Look at the whole of this place. Can you see? Can you see from here to here? Extra layer of hair is coming out. It's amazing. Which means this is just month one. By the time we complete month 5 or month 6, I expect to have my hair back again. Now the back I showed you that is empty. There's hair growing in the desert area. The place that used to be barren and smooth like my forehead, I can now pull hair here. You see, I can now pull hair. It's no longer as empty as it was last month. So what does that show you? Impossible is nonsense, bro. If you're bald, it's reversible. Whatever they're telling you is a lie. Your body has an auto self-healing mechanism. If you have injury now, you don't need to teach your body how to heal. It will attempt to heal itself. So if you now provide the right conditions for healing, it will heal. Do you understand? So this is a proof. I don't want to tell people, I know that your #1 question for those of you experiencing hair loss, even men and women, is what did I do here? This is juju. I'm not saying it until after like 3 or 4 or 5 months when I now have full hair. When there is what do you call it, undeniable proof that it works. Do you understand? So, but basically I want to give some hints. Like I said, the reason I started growing back my hair is because I found out that, for instance, zinc, shortage of zinc in your body, which is a common deficiency. Most people are lacking zinc. They don't know. It has a lot of symptoms, all right? This is not a medical advice, so please discuss with your doctor and, more importantly, your dermatologist, all right? So, but I'm just giving you tips on what to discuss with them. Now, when zinc in your body, zinc leaves your body through your hose. You get what I'm saying? When you use the toilet, zinc leaves. When you urinate, zinc leaves. When you ejaculate, zinc leaves. All right, so you need to eat it back. Now, if for some weird reason your diet does not contain enough zinc, or as you get older, your body is no longer able to extract enough zinc from the diet you are eating, you will start seeing symptoms. I'll mention some of the symptoms so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. But that only means you have to supplement zinc. You have to start taking zinc as supplement to top it up. But like I said, discuss with your doctor before trying that, all right? But it's hard to overdose on zinc, extremely hard. Like it's unimaginable. Like, except you take the whole cup and drink it, the whole tablet card they give you and drink in one night. It's just a supplement, nothing special, and it's a common deficiency. Now, here's the thing, right? When your body starts lacking zinc, one of the side effects in some people, not all, is hair loss. They will start going bald. Their body is losing more zinc than it's gaining. All right, or maybe their body has changed due to adulthood, that is no longer able to extract more zinc from the food, or their diet changed, or stress. Sometimes if somebody passes through stress, like academic stress, trying to gain a lot of knowledge in some area, that's why many professors have it. You understand? Loss of a loved one, your hair will either start graying out, or you start losing hair. Or childbirth. Some women just go bald after childbirth, or go gray because of the stress of pushing out the baby. So, depending, which means in that case, you have to also manage your stress. So, zinc in some people will result in hair loss. In some people, it will result in blood pressure changes. So, you are fighting blood pressure, you don't know why. You don't know that it's related to something else. Do you understand? That's why you have to discuss with your doctor on that. Then zinc also affects eyes in some people. Their eyesight will just become poorer. Like things I used to say, I can't see it again. It's old age. It's not old age, Baba. Your body is starting to give you sign. You get what I'm saying? So zinc also affects a number of things in your body, like sense of smell and taste. Some people will say that they can't taste things again, like their taste is gone. There are many things that can take your taste away, but it's always a sign that you should go meet your doctor and try to trace down to. If you have to do lab tests to determine how much zinc you have. Now, zinc is just one of them. What of biotin? What of collagen? Do you understand? These are things that your body used to make hair, nails, joints, skin. There are some people, you will see them at 40. They will look like they are 80. Why? The collagen levels in their body is so low. Their skin has started to. That's why I used to tell people that old age is different from wrinkles. Wrinkle means that something is missing in your body. Your body has lost its elasticity, which means you have to start looking at biotins and collagens. Old age means that you have stayed on this earth longer. The earth has rotated around the sun longer. It does not really connect to a lot of things. In fact, modern medical science has started disconnecting old age from a lot of things. Some people will be having knee pain. They say, it's not old age. Something is wrong. Go and meet a medical professional and get it sorted. It's not old. You can age till 100 without any pain, any body disease. Your brain will be intact. Your body will be intact. The only thing is that you are old. You understand? Stop blaming old age on diseases on your body. If you were young and you had knee pain, you will rush and treat it. But now, just because you are 50, you think it's old age, you manage. There's no management though. This is proof. This is proof, and this is without hair transplant. This is proof.